Well, we are in that season again where we celebrate greatness and we celebrate a phenomenal woman, a woman on a mission, a woman with a heart of gold, a woman with a pure heart. Our mom, Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. Mom, you are a rare gem, a special kind, one who cannot easily be found. Mom Ruth, I can never talk about my life being defined, being aligned, being refined, and being renewed without mentioning your name. Because you are the gift that God gave me. You are an expression of God's love for me. That's why you are love personified. I have seen, I have experienced, and I have tasted of the Lord's goodness because of you. Mom Ruth, when I had given up on myself, you never gave up on me. You urged me on. You encouraged me. You gave me direction, and you allowed me to see what I could not even see within myself. You gave me a voice so I would be able to speak. You gave me direction, and you invested so much within my life. You spoke words where I had received curses before. You spoke words of blessings, Mom. Every endeavor that I have desired to do, you have affirmed it and confirmed it through the words that you speak over my life. I am forever grateful for your life, and I celebrate you, Mom. Mom, I am a product of your hands, of your love, of your kindness, and of your gracefulness. You have taught me a lot. You have led me in the ways of the Lord. You continue to train me because I am still a work in progress. You are a gem. You are a rare kind. You are a special kind, Mom. And women like you are not easily found. I know that when God created you, He had me and my family in mind. Because without you and your prayers and you standing in the gap for us, there is no us.
We continuously thank you for the love, the patience, the kindness, your support. We thank God for your life, Mom. And with that said, we
wish you a happy birthday, Mom Ruth.